I'm gonna take GoPro. Park it. Yeah, every time before you start, you gotta park it.
What's the old noise?
The engine, I think. Or the brakes.
Don't worry about that noise. It's
Oh.
about the driving.
So yeah. Put it in first gear. Wait, no. First. Okay, yeah. Put it in first gear. But instead of like putting some throttle, we're gonna find out the brake, like the choking point, the biting point. To find it out, you slowly lift off your foot from the clutch and listen to the engine and see if you hear like the engine change sound or and the car starts to move, then you found the biting point. So let's find it again. Like that. And then once you do that, you could add a bit of throttle. So just find the biting point, add some gas so it doesn't stall, and then you're good.
It's like a freaking midnight club in here. Oh, midnight club. I want you to drive all the way to the fire station and then stop there. Beautiful day of driving, eh, Kier? I want you to drive this all the way to our house,
Alright.
and then when you get to Glendale,
Right now?
yeah,
Alright.
when you get to Glendale, just turn around and then drive to Glendale.
Oh,
Drive around our neighborhood.
okay. Alright. Okay.
Shake it off. Shake it off, Kuya. You got this.
I wanna go here.
Switch lane, yes. Switch lane and come to a full stop. Okay, you see that white car coming?
Mm-hmm.
Nothing coming here.
Nothing else.
Make your mark. As soon as this thing is done, get ready to go. Keep looking, keep looking. Yeah. Switch lane to your right. Nothing in here. Gear already shoulder check. Gear's doing his thing. Start slowing down now. Nice. Perfect. Okay, remember what we learned on Gasoline Alley? As soon as you don't see anything, pinner. Pinner, now!
Oh,
Normally you would grab second gear so it'll be faster, but that's fine. That's gonna be another day's lesson. Here's doing shoulder check. Make sure everything is clear and safe. Be prepared. Watch it.
yeah.
It's yellow light. And back to first gear.
Actually, 50. You got like 10 seconds. That's good.
Hey, first gear. Get ready. Nice. Beautiful. Now. Good job, Kier. Very safe. I love it. Very safe. Grab a gear. Pin it. Grab a gear. Ooh. That's a low gear.
Yeah.
Grab another gear. Higher.
Higher gear? What is 70?
More. No, that's only 60 cooks. Okay, more. One more. Fifth gear. Whoa, that's third gear. Fifth gear. Yeah.
There we go. We're good now.
I want to fly the drone and chasing you while you're driving. How that? It's every dad's dream. Hi, Gabby. Gabby.
Doing great.
She said you're doing great.
Thank you.
Yeah, painter. More. Switch. Yeah. There you go. That's how you do it. Oh, look at that. The river. Do you remember your route? Okay.
I turn right at this like traffic light.
Okay. Okay, slow down. Turn right. Slow down. Prepare to switch your gear to the lower gear. Preferably third gear. Slow down, very slow. Yeah, third gear, switch. There you go. Holy fuck. This is a different kid than yesterday. He's way improved today. Way improved. I love you. I'm gonna send this to your mom
Then I
and
go
Papa
left.
Meg.
I go left.
Yeah, so you may want to move to the very like close to the thingamajigs. Come to a full stop where it's safe to do so, and then go. And remember the rule of stop sign. All right, get ready. Yeah. Good job, Kier. Good job. Hey. Okay, good. I thought I was cities. Speed. Speed truck. You remember how you do it here? Move to the very right. Slow down, wait for your safe spot, and then go. We're going to Lola this time, okay?
Alright.
You and Lolo gonna have a quick drive. You're gonna show him what you made of. Come to a full stop. You're gonna turn right here. So you're gonna position your vehicle right here. Yeah. You wait. You wait.
Oh.
You make your mark.
Wait, what?
Good. Go. Oh, burnout, bitches. Okay, move to your very left. Yeah. While shoulder checking. Yeah. Good job. Keep moving. One more. One more left. Yeah. There you go. Now go straight. Watch your speed. Slow down. Brake and clutch. Brake and clutch. Yeah. There you go. Fucking yeah. Oh boy. That's how you do it.
Smell the rubber
Oh yeah.
and the burnout.
That's the glory of driving standard.
Is that bad?
No,
It's a good thing.
it's a good thing.
It's a good thing. It's a good thing. That means Kyle, you have full control of your vehicle. Now the engine and Kier's nerve are the engine's being part of Kier's body. Okay, get ready on that shit. And red. Next one's green. Go. Nice. Second day driving, ladies and gentlemen. That's Kier. Andaya Driving School. Okay, prepare to turn left. Grab a gear, fourth gear. Don't let that engine cry. Now slow down.
Make sure it's safe.
Yes, make your mark and get ready. No, you gotta stop there because there's a lot of vehicle. Yeah. Prepare in your second gear. Yeah. That's it. Let him go. Now it's clear. Let them. Oh no. Let them go.
Alright.
Screw it. Screw it. Let them go.
I'm letting it go. No,
Yeah. Let him go.
Yeah,
Okay. You see that slow as car.
That car,
After that,
I'm gonna go.
yeah, you gotta go. Okay. Yeah. He doesn't know where he's going. He's just, oh, should I change lane or not lane? What the hell is going on here? Remember, if you see anything that's crossing in your path, clutch and brake, right? Come to a full stop. Alright, now slow down here, turning right. Slow down, turning right, grab a lower gear, and turn. Yeah. Accelerate. Grab more gear. Yeah. Speed. Gear. Slow down. You can't see anything. Slow down. Yeah. Then down gear. Yeah. There you go. Now we're gonna stop. We're gonna visit Lola. I'm gonna send Lolo here, and then you show him what you got. Okay? Okay. Park here. Park here. There you go. Good job, Kuya.